So the standard lace, this is a sort of lacing style that you would find with your trainers when you get them new out of the box. So this video is really for people that might have washed their trainers or they might need to replace their laces. Now when we get to the top on this standard lace here, there is enough lace there that instead of doing a factory knot like I have, you could always do a bow, and there'll be enough lace for you to do that as well. So let's get into it. So we're going to place this one over here so we can see what we're aiming towards, and we're going to be lacing up the right shoe. Now before I've started, I've bulked out the toe box with some socks, and I am going to bulk out the shoes a little bit more with a couple of socks that I've put together, and that's going to give me some wide laces, and the shoes are going to be ready for when I want to put my foot inside it with exactly the right lacing. So I'm going to push the tongue out of the way, and we're going to start by taking the lace down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. I'm just going to bring the lace a little way up into the shoe. And then when I pass the lace across the front, I'm going to push it between my finger and thumb just to flatten out the lace a little bit more. Then bring the end of the lace down through that first hole on the inside of the shoe. And again, you just need to bring it a little way into the shoe. Put the ends together, pull up to get the same lace length on both sides. Just like that. So I'm just going to loosen it off a little bit. And I'm going to start with the outside lace. I'm going to come across, I'm going to go under and up through that second hole on the inside. And as I bring the lace up into the shoe, I've already flattened out that lace as much as possible. But just in case there are any twists, if you catch it on your finger, you can turn it over and make sure that you're drawing it in nice and flat. Then bring your inside lace. Again, I've flattened it out. I'm going to bring it up through that second hole on the outside of the shoe. And now I'm going to bulk it out with some socks. So push your sock in, just makes the shoe feel like your foot's sitting inside it, and then you can get the right lacing. We're going to make these laces quite tight because the tongue is a little bit narrow, and I want to make sure that the laces are pulling that tongue in to have that nice curve across your foot to make it really comfortable. So take the outside lace, bring it across and up through that hoop on the inside of the shoe. Just draw it across, nice and flat. If it does get twisted, just bring it out and pull it back in again. Then bring the inside lace across and up through the hoop on the outside of the shoe. And keep that lace in your hand. We're going to bring it through the hoop on the tongue. Just drawing it out. Do tend to twist a little bit these laces, and then we're going to bring it out through that fourth hole on the inside of the shoe. So bring it up through the back of the hole and out, and then take the inside lace, bring it through the hoop on the tongue. So just making sure it's nice and flat. You want to pass it over the top of the lace that's already in there, and then you want to bring it out through that fourth hole on the outside of the shoe. Like that. Now if you do want your laces to be a little bit wider, if you pull out your shoes, because the laces are quite elastic, they'll pull out with the shoe, and then you'll get those broader laces. So I'm going to take that outside lace, I'm going to bring it across the shoe and out through that top hole on the inside. Then take the inside lace and bring it across the shoe and out through that top hole on the outside. And then you've got enough lace there to tie a bow if you want to. Now I'm going to finish off with a factory knot. And to make a factory knot, all you need to do is to bring your two laces together, to align them all the way down like that, having one sitting on top of the other one. Wrap it around your finger, keeping the two laces together like that, and then you're going to bring these two through the hoop. So just make sure they're sitting on top of each other, release your hoop a little bit, push your laces through and catch them on the other side like this. And as you draw them through, you'll have made another loop like that. Now if you want to tie your factory knot and make it tighter, just bring your laces back through, hold onto the knot in the middle, and bring them backwards and forwards until you get that factory knot that you're happy with. So I'm just going to tidy mine up a little bit, make sure that the one loop sits inside the other one. So I'm going to pull on my laces, and there you've got your factory knot with your standard lace Nike V5 RNR. So there you have your standard lace Nike V5 RNR. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. And to catch all the latest videos, click that notifications button. Until the next time, thanks for watching.